Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can post a story to Snapchat from your camera roll. So instead of recording from Snapchat, if you have a recorded video with your phone camera that is on your camera roll, you can post it as a story on Snapchat. We'll see that. Open Snapchat and see here, this is the symbol. See, with this round circle you can actually record a video on Snapchat, but this is the option. Tap on that and see here, camera roll. So these are all the videos which are recorded through my camera, so which they are in camera roll. And choose any video and the editing is similar.
Hello, good morning to you all.
See here at bottom left you will see the edit icon. Tap on that and
Hello, good morning
now
to you all.
yes, you
Today
can
in this
trim the video and all you have is your
Hello, good morning to you all.
default
Today in this video we'll see
editing
some cool
tools will be available.
ideas.
Click on this to add the music. You can add some
Hello, good
cool
morning to you all.
stickers.
Today in this video we'll see some cool
Everything is similar.
ideas
Everything
for
is
girls
similar.
to adjust their
And then
Bitmoji
you can
outfit.
use this arrow to post it to your story. Send it to my story.
Hello, good morning to you all. Today
So
in this
this
video
is
we'll
how
see
you
some
can
cool
post
ideas
a story
for girls
to Snapchat from your
to
camera roll.
adjust
I hope
their
you like this and thanks for
Bitmoji
watching. Have a
outfit.
nice day. Story edit.
So there are lots of